If you have never seen this coding question before, it will be very difficult to solve during the technical interview. So given a binary tree, return true if we can partition the tree into two trees with equal sums after removing exactly one edge. Let's say we're given this binary tree, we can remove this edge to generate two subtrees with equal sums, so can return true. Let's go over the dot process. What we can do is first find the total sum of all of the nodes inside the binary tree. Then we can divide the sum by 2 to know the sum of each subtree. Now, if there's a subtree that contains the target sum, then we can return true. Now, a side case we need to handle is when the total sum of the tree is equal to 0. In this case, we need two subtrees that contains a sum of 0. What we can do is to create a hash map to keep track of the sum and frequency of each subtree. Let's implement the function check equal tree, taking the root of the binary tree. Break the map, recursively find the sum of each subtree. If the sum is equal to 0, return true if there are more than one subtree that contains a sum of 0. Return true if sum is divisible by 2, and there's a subtree that contains the target sum. Now let's implement the function getSum, taking the node and the map. If node is null, return 0. Recursively find the sum of the left and right subtrees, find the sum of the current subtree, increment the frequency of the sum, return the sum.